Difference between acid and base. An acid is a hydrogen ion donor and contains a hydrogen ion, that is HF, hydrofluoric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, HNO3, nitric acid. A base is a hydrogen ion acceptor and contains a hydroxide ion, that is NaOH, sodium hydroxide, BaOH, barium hydroxide. An acid is a substance which donates a proton. A base is any substance which accepts a proton. Acids taste sour, whereas bases taste bitter. pH value of acid is less than 7.0, whereas the pH value of base is greater than 7.0. Acids change the litmus paper to red, whereas bases change the litmus paper to blue. Acids free hydrogen ions when mixed with water. Bases free hydroxide ions when mixed with water. An acid has a chemical formula with H at the beginning of it. For example, HCl, hydrochloric acid. There is one exception to this rule. CH3COOH is acetic acid, vinegar. A base has a chemical formula with OH at the end of it. For example, NaOH, sodium hydroxide.